Hey guys, so just want to show you this desk upgrade I'm doing. So if you take a look at the current desk here, IKEA desk. Basically, I'm gonna mount the ultra wide, super ultra wide screen. I have an elevation shelf to clean some stuff up, so there's not so much, stuff on the top there. This is just a testing mouse, not really part of this. And then I'm gonna try one of these podcasting mics for team calls. And then underneath here, I have the IKEA IDASEN standing electronic desk. So it's just the legs. It's a two-part box. So I'm gonna replace these legs down here with and then what I'll do is press a button here and then raise it, and then every once in a while stand up and see how that goes. So I got the legs all built up. These things are super heavy. I'm really excited and happy about this thing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it kind of like diagonally across this corner piece, and I really think that's gonna work out really nice. Hey guys, so here I have a Samsung Super Ultra Wide that I'm going to use, that I'm going to put on an arm, the Ergotron HX series. First, I'm going to probably just mount it to the back here with that clip that goes over. And if I find that it's too much weight on the side, then I'm going to drill into the middle. So I'm just backing off these nuts because the default setting of this is too thin for the IKEA desk. So you just have to basically move it down one set of bolts. I'll hold it for you. Is it super tight? Okay, yeah, it's perfect. All right, so got it up here, and a lot of other people that do how-to videos on white IKEA desks have recommended putting pieces of wood or something underneath because this chipboard is hollow. So putting something underneath to lighten the load, like these could punch right through. So just because I haven't gone to Home Depot, I'm just using some very, very industrial, super thick, like not Amazon box thickness cardboard, but super thick cardboard here that runs across. And then when I do go out to Home Depot, I'll get some very hard, whatever they recommend, pine, oak, whatever, big piece, or a steel bracket. All right, so worked out pretty good, went all across here. I'm just tightening to the point where I can sleep at night knowing that there's, a very expensive super ultra wide sitting on top of it. And the completionist or anal retentiveness person in me, I have to have these at least pointing the same way. Okay. So it seems pretty strong. This part here, I didn't put it on the video, but this clicks in here and this clicks in here. You back these out and then you back the one out there just to lock it into place. But, because I have very minimal support here with the IKEA standing desk part. So like it is, maybe you can see if I do this, it is a bit wobbly, but I think it should be fine because the weight is kind of over here. So we'll see. If not, we'll drill it right down. Now I've taken off the stand of this particular Samsung Super Ultra Wide by removing the screws in the stand, and a lot of them include a VESA bracket adapter. So I put this VESA bracket adapter, and then you're going to put the Ergotron one into these guys here over top, like so. So going pretty smooth. with it being installed, the desk looks pretty strong, but main issue I have right now is if I do this, I let it go, it droops, right? And the video on Ergotron, so first off, nothing in the manual of how to adjust this part. So I'm like researching how to get a 5-point bit, but that is not what you got to do. So it still is with this tool, like it's one tool to adjust the whole thing, but you go in here, right? But there's nothing in there. The only time that you can actually, hopefully I can capture this in camera, if you lift it up, you can't really see it, but then the bolt becomes available. So if you have it drooped and you try to tighten, it won't hit anything. But if you lift it up, you'll see a bolt in there, then you can tighten it. Very weird, very, very alien and very strange. And there you go, no more drooping. Push down, stay, bring it up, it will stay. And there you go, no more drooping. Push down, stay, bring it up, it will stay. All right, so now that that's done, here's all of the big mess of cables. You know, every IT person's dream come true because it's an awesome opportunity to organize. So here's the before, and let's see what we can do. You can see that I got the 3 cables that are running there in IKEA conduit. It's now on the Ergotron HX mount. It's using the IKEA retrofit for hydraulic raising desk. And you can see underneath how there's cable clips and also power management, and everything runs over here to a dock, a mount for headphones, a drawer for the AC adapter, and a tray for the laptop. Now the IKEA desk does have a app. It's kind of hard to find. They don't publicize it too much, but I guess they outsource all of their raising and lowering legs to this company called Linac, and it connects with Bluetooth, and you can do some pretty cool things, like it can track and make sure that you're standing every so often. Yeah, but much cleaner setup. Really happy with how this turned out. Thanks, guys.